James Kaufman, World News Report today. Ladies and gentlemen, this jet made a landing with no flaps and no landing gear. You want to talk about a pilot I want on my side? This is an unbelievable landing, and everybody walked away from this landing fine. Unbelievable. It's a must-see. Let's check this out. This guy has nerves of steel. You see how fast he's going because there's no way to slow down without flaps. No landing gear. He touches ground, pulls back up. Does it again, actually. What a pro. Now here's where you need to be worried about the plane catching on fire with the jet fuel. And as soon as he's able to bring it to a stop, he kills the engines there. And everyone moves off to the left safely here. It's unbelievable. We'll watch that once again because it is so unbelievable. No landing gear, not one piece. No flaps. That's coming in full speed, 400 plus miles per hour. If you're aboard, you're terrified at this moment. Beyond terrified. Unbelievable. I think I might keep that pilot around for a day or two. What do you say? God bless you guys. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.